Hello.
Hey guys.
Today we have another unboxing for you.
Absolutely, we're getting our kit together, yes.
I know we did one earlier for the Osmo Pocket 4, which is what we're filming on now.
Yep.
And we thought it might be easier to streamline our tech.
That's what we're trying to do, yes. We're trying to keep everything the same, like brand, DJI. So, you know, the mics go on Pocket 4, the mics go on this Action 6.
So it's the DJI Osmo, the DJI Osmo Action 6.
Yeah, so like Emma said, we are trying to streamline it so it's nice and easy. Mm-hmm. So this is what we're going to unbox today.
Yes.
We haven't done tons of research about it, but what we have read and seen about it, it looks really impressive.
Well, I've done like the reading of it. I haven't seen any videos, but I know what it does in theory. So before this one, we had the GoPro Hero 12 Black.
We did, yes.
And so it was either upgrade the GoPro to the GoPro 13, or get the Action 6, which matches the Osmo Pocket.
Absolutely, and obviously, like I just said, we decided to do that to keep everything the same.
Yes.
The mics, and we don't know, actually we were having a conversation a second ago about it, if one camera gets turned off, will the mics connect to the other camera?
That's what we're hoping.
I'm hoping the answer is yes to that.
Yes.
So yeah, we'll play with that in the coming days or whatever. But yes, we can open this.
Let's just have a little quick read through what comes. This is the Adventure Combo Pack.
Yeah.
We got this from Currys. You can get it you can get it wherever you can get cameras. They do sell just the camera, but Currys didn't have just the camera. And the Adventure Pack comes with a battery case, batteries, and an extension rod.
Absolutely.
And I wanted those things. So.
Absolutely, yes, it made sense. I think 3 batteries it's come with, what's really good, 4-hour battery, so that gives us plenty of time. Mm-hmm. The handle is 1.5 meters tall for this ended. What we really cool, we love them shots. It's like a drone shot without the drone.
Yes.
So I love that. So yeah, 20 meters water depth. If you want it in water, action stuff, like dust, sand, that sort of stuff's resistant. So yeah, everything that we need, we think.
Yeah, we liked. We've never ever had a problem with the GoPro, I would like to put it out there. But this is 4-hour battery life on the camera.
Yeah. It's
cold resistant, which I didn't know was a thing.
Yeah. And
it's got 50 gigabytes of internal storage.
What's fantastic, same as the Pocket 4, they added internal storage now. Just in case them are the times that you fill up your SD card, you have got extra storage. What's amazing.
Yeah, and I have done that before. I've taken the camera out with no SD card.
Yes, so... we all have done that, yes.
Okay, do you want to do the honours? It's got one of those cool little pull
I feel like you need to, because I'm not very good at it, and
I'll do it then.
Yeah, you enjoy it.
Because it's the best bit.
Go on. Yeah, let's see. It happens to you as well.
No. Okay. One moment, please.
Yeah. There we go. Nice.
Gosh. Okay, I quite like this box. It's very skinny.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What other boxes?
Okay. So shall we start with the actual camera?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. I like all the little boxes, but obviously we won't keep it in those. So one of the things, I like how this camera looks.
Yeah.
I know that you should be more focused on what it does, and I am, but I like how the lens looks on this one.
Yeah, you can get an extra lens or different lenses for it. We haven't yet, so if you have this camera and you've got the extra lenses, let us know what they like. But yeah, we just went for a standard lens at the moment.
Yeah, so it's got lots of doohickeys and whatchamajiggers. I'll take that off to show you, because I just really like how that looks, and the size of the screen.
Yeah.
Because on the GoPro it is a little bit smaller. I know that maybe it's a bit bigger on the 13. There you go. You can see us filming. Yeah. And the only thing is the connector at the bottom. We don't have any of the accessories for that.
No.
So
we'll get some of that. What I love though initially with the lighter box I haven't seen yet is that big record button at the top.
Yeah.
That's really, really good. If you doing something that you're wearing gloves or something, you know, that is really, or underwater, it's an obvious button to push. What's really good rather than a small one. So yeah, I like that. off the bat.
And it doesn't look like on the... I know I keep comparing it to the GoPro, but that's because...
That's what we had.
Yeah. This section that opens like that, I nearly broke my nail every single...
Yeah,
you have to
it
have
was hard.
finger muscles of steel.
Yeah.
But I guess it's that bit that makes it waterproof, the bit that...
The seal, yeah.
And that is the charging port, I think.
I guess.
And then, so this side must be... Oh, okay. It's got arrows on it.
Yeah.
That is where the battery
battery.
goes. That was a lot easier than the GoPro.
It was. Like I said, you have to really...
It was like an in and up situation.
It's awkward, but that seemed a lot easier.
Yeah. I might leave those stickers on for now. Yeah, you can get, like John just mentioned, I think there's 2 different lenses you can, like attachments. One for macro.
Yeah.
And one it said for boost. I'm not sure what that does. So,
no.
But I love how that looks.
Well, we might get the boost. I don't think we need a macro. We might get a boost later on, but we'll see how we get on first. But yeah, I love the way that looks. That's got a much bigger lens than the GoPro.
And the screen is going to be so handy. And I assume that this light here tells you when you're recording.
I guess.
Because the amount of times on the GoPro I've filmed and not actually filmed it.
Absolutely. I love the front screen as well. So if you're logging, that's good.
These are action cameras. So, I mean, it's supposed to be really good at night.
Yeah.
And at night you can't see buttons when it's dark. And you can't necessarily see the screen all the time. No. But what you can see, hopefully, is... I assume that isn't...
I guess.
A sensor or a light.
Yeah.
But you would be able to see a screen that big. So.
Yeah, and it's the biggest selling point for us as well, of all the main other reasons that we mentioned, it's so good in a dark environment. So yeah, that's really good. But yeah, we'll give it a go and let you guys know.
We're hoping it will round out because the Osmo is great.
Yeah.
And I don't mind it at night, and especially this one now it's got its tiny little light hat.
Yeah.
Which is great. But the images I've seen of the night shots from that are just wonderful.
Yes, right.
And let's move into at the bottom of here, we'll do that first, is the
handle.
Extendable handle.
We might get the smaller version as well, because I feel like having that attached to that might be a bit big for just carrying around. But obviously that will have its function and we'll use that. It might not.
I quite like it. It's all the way with it.
Is it a tripod as well?
It is not a tripod.
Right, so might need a tripod
But
version.
it would fit... Oh, okay. Let me lower it because that's going to take some dye out. It would fit on the tripod.
Oh, okay, that's good.
The little feet.
What
so maybe we could just get more little feet.
Yes.
It's got the twirly connector that connects to like...
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, although I don't think you would be allowed this in theme parks.
No. We'll have to suss that out if and when it could be classed as a selfie stick. Yeah. So we'll suss that out if and when we do something like that.
So yeah, I think if this looks like a GoPro attachment, that's why I was saying you need an attachment to it, but it must come with it if it's got that.
Yeah.
So any GoPro stuff should fit it, I assume. Which is good.
What's good because there's tons of that about, so that's really good. Yeah.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna love this for like B-rolly like
absolutely
us clips, which I think is really handy.
Absolutely. Or holding it, paddleboarding, fully extended. That'd be a fantastic shot. So that's really good. That's what we wanted.
Yeah, it has the option for you to do invisible stick mode as well.
Absolutely.
Which obviously we haven't sussed out.
Yeah, it's a bit weird because you see your hand there, but
just have to hold your hand in a natural position.
But no, I love that. I think we'll use that a lot. But I think we need a version of a tripod as well with it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, moving on to the little accessory box. It does show you how to open things there, which is good. Oh, so we've got stickers.
Nice.
All the DJI stuff comes in. What are you doing with these stickers?
No idea. We just stuck in a bin.
Yeah. It's got a lens cleaner, I think, in there.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's got a... That looks like to put a screen protector.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
So maybe it's got a screen protector.
Have a look at that.
I don't know, have a look. But yeah, same with Apple stickers. I don't know what to do. Okay, it's got these are the lock. I'm not going to open that, but it's the locks for
Yes.
when you pop it on there or when you put it on another GoPro kind of style.
We end up probably getting loads of them.
Yeah.
Because we always lose them.
It's got a... Gosh, they fit everything. Charging cable.
Standard. Yep.
What's this? It's like Christmas.
I don't know, some sort of mount.
Okay, so this, I can probably show you, is, I like
nice.
that.
Yeah, that's satisfying.
That was very satisfying.
Very easy.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
that.
How do I get it off though? Oh.
Yeah. And that'll connect to that.
Gosh, that's a strong magnet.
Nice and easy though.
Yeah.
I love that.
So it clips in there.
Yeah.
And then it's in. Oh, it's not in.
Don't push the side.
That's because I pushed the side. So that's sturdy.
Yeah, that'll go onto there with that bracket on the side.
That's in there, and then you put the screw in there.
Nice and easy. I love that. That's really good. Yeah.
I like that it... Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I like that it came with it as well. And that it's not permanently on there because sometimes you want a flat edge.
Absolutely. No, that's really good.
Do you want to feel how strong that is?
Yeah,
it's
I see
so
that.
strong.
Yeah, that's really easy, isn't it? That's really good. Yeah, the magnet. Yeah, that's really good.
It's not going anywhere, is it? It's when you push this side.
You've got to push it in properly. But yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
I love that. Yeah, that's really easy as well, being quick. Yeah, love that.
Okay, and here is...
You've got to push them down, you've got to put it on. So put it on and then push the sides down and that puts it in.
Yeah.
Love that. Really good. Love that.
Oh, we got 2 of those.
Good.
Why would we need 2?
We'll use them because we'll use them and we'll probably end up having loads of them as well.
Yeah, they're exactly the same.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So that and that, we need to probably get a couple more of.
I don't know. I think we'll be alright. And then this looks like, a sticky mount.
Okay.
Okay.
If you
We did have one in the car, but we don't want it permanently in the car.
No.
But we do have one for the GoPro into the car. But I guess this is for like your helmet or...
Yeah, if you had a helmet or something, you want it there permanently, that's a really cool, I don't know, a snowboarding or something helmet would be really cool.
Yeah.
Something that you know that it'll be on there all the time. But there are Velcro ones that you can get with that, and obviously move it around.
We've got a suction cup
or suction one, yeah.
So we
nice.
Don't have that one. And then I assume
the batteries.
This is the batteries. This case is so tiny. The thing I like about the DJI is the same for the mics.
Yeah.
We're not sponsored, by the way.
Well, if you want to.
Yeah. The thing I like about the mics and the drone on DJI, and the same as this, is the case, because you hit a button and it shows you how charged everything is.
Yeah.
And it all just keeps everything tidy.
Absolutely, and you charge the case and you keep it all nice and in there. Yeah, I love that. It just makes it like life really easy.
Yeah.
And obviously you can charge that in your rucksack with external on the go. What's amazing if you needed more.
Yeah, and the cases are super sturdy.
Yeah.
And just so convenient to like chuck in your bag.
Absolutely. No, overall, that's really, really good. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Obviously, we haven't turned it on or nothing like that yet, but from the box, what I've seen, yeah, it's really, really good.
Yeah, I don't think we'll do a follow-up with like how we're getting on, but maybe in vlogs and things we'll mention if we're using it, and what we're using it for a little bit.
Absolutely.
And just get used to it, because I know that there's lots of videos out there, but I just wanted to show you everything that comes in the box.
Absolutely, yeah. I'm excited to see what it's like at low light, in the dark. So yeah, that'd be really good. So watch out for that, because like I said, if it is dark, we'll probably be on this one now.
Yeah, or with our tiny little hat on the pocket. It also does, or they say it does, star night mode, so we can give that a go.
Absolutely.
We're just gonna have a play around with it.
Absolutely, why not? Yeah.
Yeah, I know some of you have, or some people that watch have the Action 6.
Yeah.
But if you've got it, let me know what your favourite thing about it is. Any tips, tricks, anything like that.
Absolutely. You know, absolutely hit us up with any advice or anything that you might have for him. At the moment, I'm quite impressed.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, so we hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.
I might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe.